Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how first of all without for creating the plugin creating the REST APIs. First of all, let's make create some of the settings tab. Like I want to save something to the backend so that we can retrieve and can use it. Okay, to anywhere else. So let's create it. So first of all, if you see that in the plugin, we haven't create a menu tab where we can go with the help of saving the data something. So we have to create a menu first. So I have a code in the previous I have. So let's add this after activate custom API. We are going to add, let's create a menu with the name. Let's make it the name same, and we can use the setting page with whatever we have to add. So these two we are going to add. Okay, so what it is gonna be do first, add settings page, so it will create a option page with the name of this with the name of the profit plus plugin settings. If I go and check that, if I go plugins, and if I go and just where the plugin is, deactivate, activate, then we need to check in the settings. So we have a tab profit plus, you can see now the tab is open. If I click on this, it will open with the profit plus settings with the save button. You can see that I have added this, and with the profit plus settings we have only the save button. Okay, so this is the done, right, by help of this code line of code. After that, we have to add some of the fields like input fields and saving some of the data. So how we are going to do that? So we have already created the section 1 is some API URL on another field. So I'm going to add some of the fields. Okay, so by adding this code, okay, this only, I think PHP block is done over here. So after this, we can again add a function register settings and admin init. So it will add the register settings of this one, section 1 section API, and another field. Okay, token based. So if I go again and plug in activate and deactivate, we need to do activate and deactivate so that new changes are added on the same time. So you can activate again and go to the settings profit. You can see that call function, this is invalid, render some type of text field. So that means only the input field needs to be showing over here. So let's check out what exactly the issue is. So it says adding section item setting fields. Okay, and this one I think it is not defined where need to be added. Okay, so after this I think we should go with adding okay, so here we have the functions, right? So here we have functions, some text field, some section text one. So we need to add all of these three because the function is not defined yet. Okay, so we will use the both, and there is validation also, validate the example plugin. So we need both of them. So we are going to copy all these three functions, these three we required. Okay, copy and paste this. Okay, so we have created the three fields. Now you can see that we have the API URL, we have the token. Again, what they have mentioned, trying to assess the array offset of the value of type bull, plugin custom API 126 126. Okay, some text field. Okay, okay, that we will also set it down. Okay, after this I think we have done rest, we have done with the API that we have to create later on sections, right? So these are all are the APIs. So some text field, this is different that I'm going to use. Okay, so reload and just put the profit plus, where we have the settings, oh sorry, plugins. We have the plugins, we have to again activate and deactivate. We have the settings, we have profit plus. I have enabled the uh, warnings also. Let me check the WP config. It is true, make it false. Okay, so this is the API URL, so whatever I can add it over here, like API endpoint should be like this one. You can make this one is the API URL, and this is my token, whatever it is. Right, this is my custom token. I can save it. Again, I can, if I go to this one, and you can see that I can reload. That means the data is saved. Okay. So another thing, how we are going to use it. Okay, so in the next video we will learn how we are going to use it, whatever we have saved the data. Okay, so let's continue with the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any query, please write down into the comment box so that I will help you on that note. So it's very important that to learn that one also, because I have learned, and you can see that whatever we have saved, we have to fetch it, and how to use it we are going to learn in the next videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.